Ni cambio. Que presionéis el balón, que defendáis del entry, que vayáis más fuerte en las situaciones de pick. Joder, que juegan y se la pasan cada vez. Si cambiamos es agresivo, que no estamos haciendo nada.
The key is in defense, guys. We need to increase our intensity. Vamos.
If they score, I don't call timeout.
Yeah.
Quickly take out. Quickly take out. Vale, quickly take out.
Everything is one against one. It's about proud, you understand me? It's you against them. Or your guy against your guy. Be physical.
You go to the court to kill the game, and now we are softer than ever. Softer than fucking ever. And they have 4 minutes and they fight as crazy now. As crazy now. And because they need this fucking win. And we have to play very hard now. Without doing a stupid thing.
Foul, mistake. 4 mistakes in a row. Remember, no update, don't allow that.
In offense, don't rush. Take your time. Attack our target.
We play with confidence, step by step. Remaining 3 minutes. Pull me this game by 3. You have 5 minutes to shooting down 5 points.
Play by play, we are close, see? Venga, don't rush, rebound, keep pushing the pace. Venga, follow the game plan.